Coorg or Kodagu is one of the smallest districts of Karnataka, which covers an area of 4,104 square kilometers. It was only in the year 1956 it lost its position as a state and became a district of Karnataka. The largest and serene river Kaveri originates on the eastern side of the Western Ghats. Coorg is one of the major places in India where gets the highest rainfall every year. The intensity of the rain season reaches its maximum in July and August. The average temperature of Coorg is 15 degrees Celsius and reaches at a maximum of 28 degrees Celsius in April and May. The economy of Coorg is based mainly on agriculture, plantations, forestry, and ecotourism. Being the largest producer of coffee in India, Coorg also produces cardamom, pepper, rubber, cocoa, and oranges. An attractive event in Coorg is the Kodava Family Sports Tournament, which has entered in the Guinness Book of Records as the largest family tournament. It has been held with the participation of more than 300 Kodava families, which have their own teams. It is believed that early on the northern part of Kodagu was under the Kadambas and the south under the Ganges. The northern parts of Kodagu were ruled by the Kongalvas, who were a vassal of the Cholas. The situation more or less remained the same till the invasion under Alauddin Khilji. The fall of the Vijayanagara Empire signated a change, and in this period Keladi Nayakas of Aikiri took over Kodagu and established the Paleri kingdom. In November of 1956, the state of Coorg was amalgamated with the one time state of Mysore as part of a state reorganization. Now, the district of Coorg is part of the state of Karnataka. Throughout the history of Coorg, no ruler has held direct sway over the region. Coorg has always been under the influence of local chieftains. The culture of Coorg has never been assimilated with the neighbors and has always maintained their unique identity. Coorg or Kodagu has its own history enriched with reigns of various kingdoms. It is known the most of the South Indian dynasties had ruled over Kodagu. These include Kadambas, the Ganges, the Cholas, the Chalukyas, the Rashtrakutas, the Hoysalas, and the Vijayanagara Ravas. From 11th to 14th century, it was ruled by the Hoysalas and later by the Vijayanagara and the Chengalvas. 17th to 19th centuries, it was the period of the Aleri Rajas. There were also some invasions by the Mysore Sultans, and in the 18th century, they were able to rule Kodagu for a couple of decades. It was in the year 1834 the British dethroned Chikkavirajendra, the Aleri king, and until getting independence, Kur continued to be a province ruled by chief commissioners. The last chief commissioner of Kodagu was Ketolira Changappa. Kodagu was granted a representative in the Rajya Sabha as a Category C state in the year 1952. In the reorganization of states, which took place in the year 1956, Kodagu became a district of Karnataka. The people of Kodagu varies from Kodavas, the main ethnic group, to communities like Arebase Gauda, Bayare Muslims, Keralites, and tribes like Eravas, Kurubas, Iris, and Kudivas. The Kodava people speaking Kodava talk and experts in martial arts numbers about 1 lakh. A majority of Kodava people belong to Hindu religion, and these Kodava Hindus are known as Kodava Kshatriyas. They are all non vegetarians. Thank you.